What's good? Alright. Alright, so the plan for today. We are going to meet up with Al. We're going to the DMV to get his motorcycle registered. And I don't know what else today holds, but we're going to be chilling. I was going to go to the city. My Christmas tree is still up. We're going to go to the city, but I don't have a ride to the city. And my dad had to use the car. And Al asked me to hang out, and I haven't seen him in a while, so we're going to go chill. Alright? Kiss. Look at him. Bro, you want me to pet you or something? Huh? Say what up. I'm feeling better. But you know, still got this fucking stupid cough. And it hurts. My throat fucking hurts because of it. My stomach hurts because of it. But you know, I feel like my stomach's getting like toned from coughing so much, you know. That's that good shit, bro. That's that good shit. I fucking love Arizona. Not the state, the drink. Golden. We golden. Jax, I will see you later. What up, Al?
It's all my apprentice shit. Plumber stuff, man.
Working man shit. Look at this ugly ass kid.
Oh, vlogging stuff? I just bought 2 RC cars.
Why?
I don't know. I saw her at AutoZone because I went to go get my sister and brother, and it was $14. So I was like, fuck that. I'm getting that. And now I have a 2015 Hellcat.
I'm going there right now.
Wow. You should probably just get a real car. Or your license.
Nick said that he's gone.
Vape Lord. We just rear-ended someone, or AJ just rear-ended someone.
It happened too. I straight up.
Oh
knew.
shit.
I hate this.
Oh my lord.
There's gonna be no damage to the truck.
I don't even think you did anything to this. There's like a little
Bottom
dent.
right.
Might be.
I'm so sorry. I thought you went.
Well, we were just talking about car accidents and how we saw car accidents, and we got in a car accident.
They're pulling out the licenses?
The guy looks like a fucking dick.
Yeah, he's definitely gonna be like, alright, calling the ops right now, bro.
Yeah, Awkward Al is very, very awkward.
Right now, he's being as awkward as he can to get out of a ticket or some insurance.
I don't know where my registration is. Hope this is it. Yeah, it is. No, it's not. That's the Impala.
How do you feel?
We have registration for an Impala, but not the truck itself. Oh,
That's my motorcycle.
Got registrations on registrations. Guy called the feds.
12.
Not a good day.
Literally did barely any damage to his car. And he's just being a dick.
My stickers were expired.
Really?
It's registered and everything. I just didn't put a sticker on it.
And 12's coming. Oh, jeez.
Bad day. Just be like, we're on your registration.
Just leave.
My license.
Nothing. Barely anything. This guy called the cops. Dude, that's some fucking bullshit.
The trunk wasn't made.
Really?
Yeah.
It was just that little hole?
Yeah.
And he fucking called the cops. Oh my god, dude. Wasting our time. Here comes 12.
Oh, he looks like a dick.
Oh, this guy's definitely gonna be a dick.
Fucking idiot.
We just left the RMV. Now we chillin'. I need an iced coffee. So I'm trying to hit up McDonald's because, you know, they got... I recently became hip to how good McDonald's iced coffee is.
$1.07 shit.
Yeah. Wow, bro. Dude, I wish I could
Wild life.
fucking be you. Peep Al's bike. Oh, yeah.
Ooh. The
Dude,
Buell.
get out of
my
here.
vlog, bro. I was
Dude.
vlogging first.
Putting them plates on.
Hells ye. I'm gonna take this thing.
What does this little switch do?
That's to turn the gas on.
Yeah, but what are you, fucking stupid, huh?
Yeah. Alright, I'll show you how to ride a motorcycle.
Look at these.
This
Ooh.
is clutch.
Liam, you're the most uncoordinated person I've ever met in my entire life. You
How
would
do you know
definitely not
this?
be able to ride this.
Okay, I'll show you how to control this. Ready? So, first, you're gonna pull in your clutch. This is the clutch.
Shut up.
Then, oh, scoot gang.
You don't fuck with scooters. Give her a rip, bruh.
Try it.
Shit into the grass.
Damn, B. Damn, B. Damn, B. Oh, he's gone. Oh, put your helmet on. Put your goddamn helmet on, boy.
Get your helmet. You do not go on
Yeah,
that street if you do
it's
not
illegal
have-
in Massachusetts.
Go ahead.
You going for a ride?
Yeah, just stick around the block.
They grow up so fast. Now we're going into Al's house and we're gonna eat all his food. Where's Stan? Stanley! Wow, nice job, you
hell was that?
retard.
What the hell was that, Stan? I just
You're an idiot, bro.
I just
You heard
petted
him.
you.